Christine here, and welcome to my channel. We are on location in the beautiful Mystic, Connecticut, and I am here today with...
Hey guys, it's Liane. I'm super excited to be working with Christine today. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe to her channel because this is going to be an amazing
Yes,
shoot.
and we're using only natural light today. Okay, let's get started shooting. Oh, the back on that is so pretty. Forget that, I don't know this big is. And what if you actually...
It's such a beautiful day. Mystic is such a great place to take pictures. Today I'm using my Nikon D750 and my Nikon 2470 lens.
Oh my god. They're gonna be funny.
I love these. They come out so pretty.
Oh my god. Oh my god. These are definitely approachable. Yeah.
And when there's free time, there's always time to dance. It's around 6 p.m. so the sun is starting to set and the light was absolutely perfect. Liane was doing absolutely amazing. She's such an experienced model and it was such a pleasure to work with her. We did a total of 3 outfits and decided to do a lot of locations because the more pictures, the better, and the more to choose from. The sun is setting behind us and we totally captured golden hour.
And that's a wrap. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye everyone.